The use of prepositions in, at, and on. There are many beautiful paintings on the wall. On is used for surfaces, levels, or platforms, and it is used for public transport. She left her keys in the car. In is used for enclosed places and is used for something with boundaries. I will meet you at the supermarket entrance at. At specifies a point or a place of activity. So it defines a purpose or a particular point. The kids are playing in the park. He lives on the 10th floor of the building. My flight lands at the airport at 6 p.m. I found your message on my phone this morning. So you use on for device screens. There are traveling on the train right now. So for all the public transports, on is used. The concert will be held at the stadium next week. So at a particular place, specific point. We stopped at the traffic signal for 5 minutes. So at is specifying a particular point here. She is in a meeting right now. He stayed in the city. So for cities, countries, and enclosed places, for liquid containers, groups, months, and years, we are going to use in. I left my bag on the bus. So for all that public transports, again, we are going to use on. He is at the school for admission. So it shows purpose, place of activity where admission needs to be carried on. So at. The parents are waiting at the school to pick up their children. So at a specific point. The students are in the school, safe from the rain. So here it is showing somewhere inside to protect from the rain. So the children are in the school having protection, taking protection from the rain. I saw his name on the list of winners. They are at the bus stop waiting for the bus. We will meet at a specific point at the school after 3 p.m. The teacher stayed at the school during the event. So in here it is specifying a place of activity, which is school. So the teacher stayed at the school during the event. So just for a quick revision, let's see where these three prepositions are used. In is used for something inside or something in an enclosed place. On is used for surface or level or a platform. At is used for point, a specific point, and to define purpose, like the purpose or place of activity or event. So, in is used for countries, cities, rooms, buildings, and it could be used for months, years. On is used for public transport, screen devices, etc. Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing and subscribe for more.